A very warm, healthy, prosperous good morning on 20th April 2020. As per the command of the institution, I am going to record my personal video for your betterment, for your academically betterment. Today, as a first video, I am going to discuss the class 9 with the topic The Lost Child, headed by Mulkraj Anand. Before the beginning, before the beginning of the chapter, we have to discuss characters. So there are mainly three characters: mother, father, and the chief of the character of the story, the boy. After the characters, we have to discuss scene. What kind of scene is here? So a typical village in which spring fair is conducting is considered as a scene. And after that, theme. We have to discuss the theme, the intention and psychology of a child and his parents, and most important, the love, care, and affection of a child for his parents. In a simple way, we can say that the bond of love between parents and a child. After that, we have to discuss about the author, which means the Mulkraj Anand. Mulkraj Anand was born on 12th December 1905 and died on 20th September 2004. He was an Indian writer in English, notable for his depiction of the lives of the poorer caste in a traditional Indian society. He was one of the pioneers of Indo-Anglian fiction. He, together with R.K. Narayan, Ahmad Ali, and Raja Rao, was one of the first India-based writers in English to gain an international leadership. He was admired for his novel and short stories, which have acquired the status of classics of modern English literature. Not only this, he was notable for his protest novel, especially Untouchable in 1935, followed by The Coolie in 1936, and Two Leaves and a Bird, B-U-D Bird, in 1937. He was the first Indian writer who incorporated Punjabi and Hindustani idioms in English. He was the winner of notable awards like Sahitya Academy Award in 1971, Padma Bhushan in 1968, and International Peace Prize in 1953. After the discussion of the author, we have to move for the introduction of this chapter. So, it is the story of a small child who gets lost in a fair as he had with their parents. The story highlights the bond of love and affection with the parents. Before losing them, he had been demanding different things like sweets, balloons, flowers, swings, etc. But once he loses his parents, he was in the sympathetical company of man who was offering him all the things that he had demanded. But now he wants his parents first, and there was no desire or likings in the mind of the child. Further move, we have to discuss the summary. So it's a time to summary. It was the reason of a spring. It was the season of a spring. The people of the village came out for the fair in different colorful attires. A child with his parents was very excited and happy in the fair. He was attracted to the stalls of the toys and sweets, though his father got angry, but his mother pacified him and diverted his attention towards other things. The child moved forward and wanted various things on the stalls. His mouth watered seeing sweets decorated with gold and silver leaves. He wanted his favorite barfi, knowing that his parents would refuse on the ground that he was greedy, he walked ahead. Then he saw beautiful garlands of gulmohar but didn't ask for it. Then he saw balloons, but he knew very well that his parents would deny due to the fact that he was too old to play with balloons. With the further steps, he saw a snake charmer and a roundabout swing. As he stopped to ask his parents for permission to enjoy the swing. To his astonishment, there was no reply. Neither his father nor his mother realized that he was lost. He ran here and there, but could not find them. The place was overcrowded. He got terrified, but suddenly a kind hearted man took him up in his arms and consoled the bitterly weeping child. He asked if he would like to have a joyride, but the child sobbed, I want my father, I want my mother. The man offered him sweets, balloons, and garlands, but the child kept sobbing, I want my father, I want my mother. No other desire of worldly pleasure in the mind of the child. His desire is only to find out his parents and enjoy the affectionate and careful company of mother and father. So he was sobbing for his parents. After that, what is the moral of the story? So the moral of the story is that every child loves his or her parents unconditionally. The parents are the most important thing in a child's life. So never be separate from your family, and this type of feeling can be bring only after the losing of the parents. So it is my personal request to be with your parents with proper care, love and affection and enjoy the whole life. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for cooperating me. Thank you so much.